In the previous video, we used chmod to fix the permission denied error. In case it did not work, I'm going to show you other things you need to check. If you are running a script, you know this is not going to work. You are going to get this message, so ensure that you have // then the name of the file. You run it, then it should work. Also, remember to use the ls to make sure that you are in the right directory. Otherwise, this is not going to work. As you can see, my file is in the right directory. If it is a file that you are trying to execute and still getting that error, you need to check the interpreter. For example, with this command, I'm able to see that the shebang exists in my file. This is very important. Finally, sometimes external drives block execution completely. Try to make sure that this is not the case. Now let us run our file again. It works. I ask you to please subscribe to this channel, to like and to share. Watch the next video in order to see other things that are important you need to know about Linux. Thank you.